this video, we will show you how to extend the life of the Survivor Filter Pro X Ultra Filters. You can easily backwash the Survivor Filter Pro X with the included syringe found in the box. This will help flush out any small particles that may be blocking the ultra filter and decreasing the normal flow rate. You'll need clean filtered water, both the ultra filters, and the included syringe. Simply fill the syringe with clean filtered water and attach it to the pre-filter tip. Push the clean water from the syringe through. Repeat as necessary until clean, clear water flows out of the pre-filter. You can backwash both the ultra filters on the Survivor Filter Pro X using the same cleaning method. Be sure to air dry before storing. Avoid exposure to direct sunlight and store away from excessive heat sources. You can purchase replacement filters officially on our website with the link down below.